Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about principles in Redux. So let's break down the principles in Redux. First one is single source of truth, which means a global state of your application is stored as an object inside a single store. Any given piece of data should only exist in one location rather than being duplicated in many places. This makes it easier to debug and inspect your app state as things change, as well as centralizing logic that need to interact with the entire application, which means the state will be managed as a centralized one for the whole application. Here, if you want, you can create your state up to the component level for UI. It is not mandatory to create a state in global state, but if you are going to use the state in multiple level or multiple components, then it is recommended to have the state in a store. Next, state is read only. The only way to change the state is to dispatch an action, an object that describes what happened. The UI would not accidentally overwrite the data. It is easier to trace why a state update happened. Since actions are plain JavaScript objects, they can be logged, serialized, stored, and later replay for debugging and testing purpose. The whole breakdown of this particular point is the state will be updated by only dispatching actions. We should not directly update the state. So if we want to debug the state in a Redux, we can also do. Next, changes are made with pure reducer functions. To specify how the state tree is updated based on actions, you write reducer functions. Reducers are functions that take previous state action, return the next state. Like any other function, you can split the reducer into small functions to help do the work, or write reusable reducers for common tasks. The main concept of this particular point is that the values updating in a state happen only through the reducer function. This reducer function will intake the input as a state and actions. Next, Redux applications data flow. Till now, we have seen the terminologies and principles in Redux. Now, I'm going to give the overall flow. Now, you can see the event listener, dispatch, triggered, action will be passed to the reducer inside store. The operation will happen and the UI will be reacted. So, it will be rendered. This is the functionality of Redux. This event handler will work only the user trigger the event. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe this YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.